and welcome to another episode of Technical Analysis by the Finance and Investment Sale of Kirori College. As Raghav discussed in the last video, markets may consolidate sideways on the 29th, and it did consolidate sideways. Now let's analyze the market on 29th and make our predictions for 30th. Firstly, we'll use the EMAs, the 7 EMA and the 21 EMA. Currently, the 21 EMA is above the 7 EMA, which is above the price. This suggests a short-term bearish momentum, suggesting sellers are in control. Now we look at the 50 MA and the 200 MA. The 50 MA is currently above the 200 MA, which suggests that in the long run, it is still an uptrend, which has been continuing. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, which indicate the volatility, price is currently between both the bands and below the middle line, which also indicates that the market is not currently oversold, but is in control of sellers. Now we look at the super trend. The super trend currently shows an uptrend. However, it's currently very close to the price and it may suggest that the trend is weakening. Let's move on to the RSI. The RSI is currently at 38.88. We have used the 3070 RSI. So that would suggest that the price is not currently oversold, but however, the price is currently the RSI currently indicates that it is a good selling condition in the market. Now moving on to the MACD indicator. The signal line is currently above the MACD line, which also indicates a good selling condition. Now moving on to the VIX, 17.37, which indicates medium to high volatility. The put call ratio is currently 0.84, also suggesting selling pressure in the market. Now to summarize, the RSI suggesting sellers are in control, the EMA is suggesting short-term bearish momentum, the simple moving averages suggesting that the long-term trend is still bullish, and the Bollinger Band suggesting that the volatility is calm, but however, price below midline suggesting mild downward pressure. The super trend is green, but the trend is quite weak, which may reverse. The MACD suggests that the signal line is over the MACD line, which is also a bearish short-term momentum signal. The support 24,300, the resistance 24,350 to 24,400. Now for the predictions, the market may experience a pullback unless the 24,350 resistance is broken. However, the long-term trend remains bullish. Thank you.